I wanted to bring you along to this project. It has been on my mind for a long time because like e-bikes are pretty expensive, and I thought that I could try making one with a quadcopter, or it's probably more like a scooter or skateboard motor, so yeah. Okay, so the motor is now secured to the bike, but it's kind of weird to put it into that place, but like I don't care. If it works, that's great. And now it just needs something to control the motor, and my brother said like just tape the controller to my bike, so well, that was a failure. Well, as you can see in the slow motion, the plastic gives so much away that the tire actually slips and it doesn't provide any power to the rear wheel.
Legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. I know what's real. Escape reality.
Okay, so as soon as I got the like rear wheel attached better, the ESC almost melted. So the problem lies in the ESC that I used, and it is actually an airplane ESC, and it isn't meant to move bicycles, and I thought that would be fine because like it's 30 amps, but it seems like it can just handle the 30 amps for a really short period of time, especially like when it's under a load. It works completely fine when it's like unloaded, but as soon as I load the motor, the ESC just gets to like 100 degrees and like the plastic almost melted off of it, and luckily it didn't catch on fire, but like yeah, I wouldn't recommend like using that ESC to like drive a bicycle. And like this problem would have a really easy solution, like just replace the ESC, but all of the bigger ESCs are pretty expensive, and unfortunately I have such a small channel that I can't really afford one. I think that like, yeah, this is the, well, at least I tried my best to like get it working, but like, yeah, just like no way to get it like working properly with that ESC, because like it's just going to like burst in flames if I keep going. So yeah, kinda disappointing, but like